Hello, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Charity. If today is your first time coming to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe and be part of this family. For today's tutorial, I want to show you some few stuffs that I bought from L.A.Girl. I ordered and I've received them, and I want to use them, see how they are, see the hype as well, test it to myself. So I bought a couple of few things. I bought their L.A.Girl eyeshadow palette. This is the Wanderlust. I'm going to use it today and see how it will be like. I can't really wait to do that. And I also bought their Volumatic mascara. I ran out of mascara and I thought that, okay, let me try the hype, what everyone is talking about. Let me also try it. So I bought their Volumatic mascara. This is black. I also bought their Glide Gel eyeliner too. So let's get into it. As you can see, I already have my brows done, just so we can save some time. I already have my brows done and I have it concealed as well. I am using my Miss Loretta concealer. That is what I use to conceal my brows, and that is what I'm going to use because I love it. Truth is, I did not do any review before buying this palette, okay? So I don't know others' opinion. What I see is pictures of it with a whole lot of different shades with it. It's blendable. It's easy to blend. Yes, I'm able to blend it nicely, so I think that is good. So I'm going to the same shade. I think I want it more deeper than this. So to cut the crease, I'm using this SFR color concealer. This concealer right here. This is in the shade C05. It's creamy beige. For cutting the crease, I'm using this brush. See, it's picked a lot like that. So let me see what we got here. Oh, okay. It's not shimmering like the way I thought. I'm going into this shade. And the next thing I'm going to do is go into my first shade with this brush to kind of soften the edges, the crease and everything together. Now to line the eyes, I'm using the L.A.Girl Glide Gel eyeliner. It is also from the thing that I bought, so that's what I'm going to use. Okay, next I'm going to do a little wings, and for that I'm using, yes, one more thing I ordered, yeah, their fine line eyeliner, the L.A.Girl fine line eyeliner. Okay, I ordered this one too, and I'm going to use this one to line my eyes. I'm going to use them to create some wing lines. Okay, yeah, just a quick one, just in case I forget. The fine line eyeliner was okay, just that I was finding it difficult getting the liquid out of it, and it was a bit dry for me. You know, I was able to get my wing lines, but it was dry. I don't think it's something I will enjoy using all the time, but it's okay. Okay, so now that I have this little wings, now this is, I use the L.A.Girl fine line eyeliner for the wing lines. Okay, so next what I'm going to do is to apply my foundation and finish off with the face, and then we'll continue. So I went off camera and I did my full face. So I'm just applying lipstick, and this is Ever Beauty matte lipstick, and this is in the shade 220. Okay, I really love this look. Look at that. Now I'm just going to spray my face, and I'm using my Kleancolor setting spray. I really love this look. You know that it's nice. Ta-da! So guys, I think this is the final look. Now what do I think about the palette? This palette right here is what I used to get this. Okay, you see that? It's so beautiful. The only bad that I have about this palette is that it doesn't have names, which I don't really like. There are no names on the palette. And two, these shades seems like they are shimmers, but they are not really shimmers. They are kind of soft, very soft shimmers. So it is very good for a soft touch. If you want to do something very soft eyeshadow that glitters a little bit, this particular palette will be a very good one to use, because the shades in there, they are very good. They are very soft. Okay, and the only thing I did not really like is the fact that it's not very pigmented, that I like what I expected. Even though it's very blendable, you're able to blend it very easily, but they are not very pigmented, so you have to use a lot of product to be able to get a desired shade that you actually want. But aside that, the palette is a very good one, affordable and an easy one to use. Okay, so guys, I think this is the end of this video. Please, if you like this video, don't forget to share, like, comment, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so. I'll see you all in my next video, and until then, don't forget to be your own beautician. Bye.